Plumbing problems usually occur at the worst possible time. That's why Flournoy Plumbing respects your time, your home, and your sanity when it comes to solving your plumbing problems quickly and conveniently. Flournoy Plumbing is available 24/7, and our service fee is the same no matter when you call. There is no extra charge for after-hour calls. Smart financing is available with approved credit. You choose the payment options that best fit your budget. Put Flournoy Plumbing on speed dial. We'll have you back to normal in no time. Find us fast in names and numbers.